Okay, or deck again. Let's have a look over there. Just a look over right there. See, this is awesome to see. So we'll walk to the house. There's a pack. Look at the person right here. So that's cool. We should add a base master course. I'm only Everything goes for Ambassador. See what there's a looks to be. As soon as that's finished Tucson, it's cold sweaty. I'll see again. You see the dirt right there. That was one old days today. I'll go over there too. I'm not sure how we can walk this way. Here. It's great. But yeah, it's hard to walk. It's a cool unit right here. US motor on it. And you can see the dirt right there. Look at that. Look at that dirt right there. It's incredible. And that's the oven put it out. We're decking now. So I put it on the previous deck right there. Yeah. It's the next day today. That's where it is. So if you put the duck right there. So this is a better one over this person. You can see right there's just a medium. Look at that. And so it has a cushion right here. That's one is 2 ton. That's close to this at the temperature. So of course it's coming right there. Okay, now it's going to swing. You can actually see the dirt right there. Look right there. See the dirt we're used to it. Yeah, yeah. Wish I could get a thing more now. We want to see start up. And right there's where the movie used to be. And that's how we do it.